In this video we are going to talk about how to earn $1,000 per day from Google News. This works globally. And it's one of the simplest online jobs. No selling, no affiliate marketing, no social media following, no prior experience required, just copy and paste text. So we will show you how to use Google to get paid repeatedly. If PayPal is not available in your country, or you do not want to use PayPal, we will show you how to select other payment options. If you don't want to use PayPal, you can use other payment methods like bank transfer or Payoneer. Anyway, let's start with step 1, go to google.com. Step 2 is to search for Google News. When you search for Google News, we want you to go to news.google.com. This is a place to find the latest news and articles on any topic. It's like a newspaper, so everything is here. This website has news about politics, business, entertainment, sports, science, health, history, and anything else you can think of. Now, how do you make money? Get your free PayPal money now. So, on the left, you have all the categories and world news. This is about the world. You already have your own local news, so we won't focus on that. Instead, we'll focus on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. All you need to do is open the article and start copying text from it. For example, we'll copy this and move on to step 3, and the third website we'll use, bot.com. You will need to paste the article he found on Google News, paid for, and rewrite it for you. So you can write the entire article in your own words, making it completely unique. So you can use the next 3 websites to get paid for those articles. Our first stop will be etingwell.com. So you can contribute to etingwell.com. Write articles for this website and get paid. Instead of spending days writing articles, you can use Google News and SpinBot to create unique and high-quality articles and earn up to $1 per word. So, this is the first website of 3. Just on this website, you can get paid up to $1 per word, so a 1,000-word article could be $1,000. Just for that article, you copied and pasted it in under 30 minutes. So, how do you submit your articles to get paid? You can find their contact information by scrolling down a little bit on this page. So, copy their email address, go to your email, and send them an email with the subject line submission or article submission or something similar, and attach the file with your own article. They'll review your email and, if they like it, ask for your payment information. If you want to be paid via PayPal, tell them your PayPal and email address. If you want to be paid by bank transfer, just leave your bank details. Your options are endless because Google News updates every couple of hours. In that case, rewrite it with SpinBot, paste it in a Word document, or save it to your computer and submit it. So the first one is etingwell.com. You can also write for sierraclub.org. It's on their website. To submit your articles to this website, simply follow these instructions and email them to this email address. Please copy the contact details and the subject line to your email. Write an article and submit it. Now, instead of just submitting health and fitness articles, you'll need to find something related to technology or science. So open a science article, copy the text, and paste it to SpinBot. Let them rewrite it and send it to sierraclub.org. daily.jstor.org is the third and final website where you can submit articles. You can read more about it in their submission guidelines. This website pays less, but it's still worth using because you can earn extra money and maximize your results. This website is great because they only ask for 2,000 words and pay around 31 cents per word. In comparison to the previous 2 websites, this one is only 31 cents. Usually, 31 cents per word is not bad because it adds up. The more articles you submit, the more money you can make. Sure, not every article will be accepted. Even if you only get 1 article per day, that's hundreds, if not up to $1,000 per day. It's all free and you can start using this strategy right away. For more details, click the link in description box below. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below.